Hello, my name is Wendy. I'm so excited that you're here with me today. I have a really fun project to show you. It's so simple to make. It makes this cute little tea box of goodies. I also have a few things to tell you. So first of all, Stampin' Up! Has announced that they are going to have storage for Stampin' Blends and ink and other stuff, and it's being released on Monday, April 1st. The other thing I need to tell you is that Celebration is almost over. So if you want to get the awesome deals where you spend 50 bucks and then you get something free, or you want to purchase the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit for $99, but you get $175 in product, you better do it before March 31st because we're running out of time. So those are the two big things I wanted to announce and tell you about and remind you about. And then next month is going to be my Celebrating Women series on my blog and YouTube, and I can't wait for that. I'm very excited. So come with me to my stamp desk. We're going to make this. If you want the supplies to make this and this cute little copper tin, the links are in the description below the video. Ugh, good Lord, that took a lot to get out. So if you're interested in those, you can go to the description of the video. There's a link to my blog post and there's a link to the products. You can shop there. I always appreciate it when you shop with me, and I always send a handmade thank you card, and you get a free tutorial bundle every time you place an order with me. Thanks so much for hanging out, and let's go to my stamp desk. All right, I am so excited to make this little box for you and have you see how cute it is. FYI, all the products are linked in the description below the video. Also, we are at the end of Celebration, you guys. So March 31st, 2019 is when it ends. And you can get free products with every 50 you spend. But the best deal for your money is purchasing the starter kit for 99 bucks. And you get to choose $175 in product to go in your kit. Yes, I said choose. You get to choose whichever you would like. Okay, we've got a piece of the, I don't know, I'm just going to call it the TDSP. I don't know. The real name for it's linked below. I think it's Time for Tea or Tea Room. Tea Room. That's what it is. It's Tea Room. Anyway, I'm putting tear and tape adhesive on both ends. The designer series paper is cut at 3 by 12 inches. And FYI, this paper is really soft and it's thin. It's thinner. It's almost, okay, it's thicker than tissue paper, but it's thinner than regular designer series paper, which is why it's called specialty paper. It's really, really, really soft. It's almost like origami paper. That's what it reminds me of. Like, you could definitely do origami with this paper. So the great thing about that is it means that it's very pliable for wrapping around this little copper tin box. When you purchase these copper tin boxes, they're $15 US and you get 4 of them. So the great thing is if you're planning some sort of little event, or if you have people in mind you want to give goodies to, you get 4 in a box. And I was thinking the other day, I was like, oh, these would be so cute for like a bridal shower or a baby shower or even a wedding as favors. I mean, there's so many options of things that you could do with them. I do have a photo over on my blog from Stampin' Up's website that features these and a few different designs, so you might want to check that out. You can check out my blog and my website at loveandstampin.com. Now, I gotta tell you what I did. You may notice that I'm not die cutting anything in today's video. That is because somehow, I don't know how, somehow I managed to purchase the stamp set and not the framelits, which is so stupid. Because FYI, if you purchase things in a bundle, you get 10% off. So if I would have purchased this in a bundle, it would have been 10% off plus my demonstrator discount, which is actually 25% off for me because I've reached a level where I get an extra 5% off, which anybody can reach. It's really easy to do. But the bottom line is I would have gotten 30% off basically, or 35% if I would have purchased this as a bundle. Nope, Wendy did not do that. So what I ended up doing is I ended up borrowing the framelits from one of my team members, Jen, and she was so gracious to bring them to me and let me borrow them. So what I did is I cut out a bunch of stuff ahead of time so that I would have it prepared to stamp. The reason I decided not to purchase the framelits just yet is because we've got a new catalog coming. And if this stamp set does not carry over into the new catalog, or the framelits don't and it retires, then I will have bought the framelits unnecessarily. As a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I can only keep so many things in my craft room at one time. So oftentimes when stuff retires, I pass it on to my customers as gifts, or I sell it for less expensive. I never like showing stuff in my videos that I know you can't buy. I think it's almost mean in a way to do that, to like use something that's really cute and everybody's gonna want it and say, oh yeah, we sold this 4 years ago, you can't get it now, by the way. So that is why I always use current product in my Stampin' Up! Videos. However, if you want to see product from the past, you can always go and watch older videos of mine. So I'm using crushed curry ink, and you can see here that I'm stamping off once on the fill-in imagery. So the cool thing about this stamp set is it has a cool outline, and then you can stamp a color to fill it in. In this case, I've decided to keep the colors the same. I've stamped the crushed curry and Coastal Cabana outlines full strength, and then the fill-ins, or the, I guess fill-in is the right word, I've stamped off once and then stamped. I'm using Blackberry Bliss to stamp my sentiment in my stitched oval, and that is from the Stitched Shapes framelits. And then I'm going to assemble everything. So what's going on in my world right now? Well, next week is beginning to look amazing. Beginning April 1st, you can purchase new storage products from Stampin' Up! So I'm so excited about that. And if you didn't catch my Facebook Live yesterday, you can catch the replay here on YouTube. And so you can go back and watch that. And I talk about those and show a few things. And I'll definitely be ordering them because I have a hot mess of a situation for my Stampin' Blends. I'm not even kidding. And then the other thing that I am excited about is starting my Celebrating Women beginning April 1st. But for the rest of this week, I'm focusing on stocking up on some supplies because I get free items for every $50 that I spend. Again, if you want to purchase that starter kit and become part of my team, I would absolutely love that. No, you don't have to do parties or workshops or anything crazy like that. You literally can purchase the starter kit, get the discount. It's kind of like having a Sam's Club membership. And if you don't keep your membership active, you just go back to being a customer. It's not a big deal. If you are interested in that, make sure you do it before March 31st so that you get the awesome deal of $175 in product. Okay, this is my finished project. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you want to see other videos from me, click on either one that you see here. Click on the circle with my face in it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com, or better yet, join my team and always get 20% off. Bye-bye.